everybody, I hope you guys are ready for the holidays. I am still working on it, getting ready, those last minute things. So today I just wanted to share with you guys that I have a new listing that just came out on the market a couple of days ago, and it's in Mirage. I'll be hosting an open house this Saturday, December the 14th from 12 to 3. I hope you guys can make it. It's a really beautiful home and it's a move-in ready, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, vaulted ceilings, and this is going for $220. Come on, guys, it's not going to last on the market. So I hope to see you guys out there. Address is 12024 West Rosewood Drive. Come on, guys. So I'll see you there. Bring me some buyers. If you need any more information, give me a call. My number is 623-396-7821. You guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.